Okay, now see now question number 9. A journey by car takes 48 minutes at 65 km per hour. If the speed of the cars is 65 km per hour, suppose a man wants to reach from A to B. He takes 48 minutes if his speed is 65 km per hour. How fast? You have to find the speed. How fast must the car go to finish the journey in 40 minutes? Okay, अभी पहले 48 मिनट्स में हम कितना स्पीड रहना चाहिए, देन 40 मिनट्स में जल्दी पहुंचना है, देन माई स्पीड शुड बी रेस्ड. ओके, दैट मीन्स हियर व्हाट इज यू आर यूजिंग इनवर्स प्रपोर्शन, दैट इज मोर टाइम लेस स्पीड, less time more speed. So you know in the inverse proportion you will do the multiplication, find the answer. So this you can do on your own, find it. Okay, now I'm doing question number 10th. In a zoo 28 parrots consume 7420 gram of nuts in a day. कितना खाता है in one day? How much nuts they are eating? 7420 gram of nuts these 28 parrots are eating. Now if 8 parrots are sent to another zoo, okay, then how much quantity of nuts will be required in a day? Okay, now here what are the two things here? That is number of parrots here. What are the two things here? Parrots is here, then nuts is they are eating in gram. Okay, nuts they are eating in gram. Okay, now previously how many parrots were there? 28 parrots. 28 parrots, how much nuts they are eating in one day? 7420 gram of nuts they are eating in one day. Okay, then in the next what they are saying, if 8 parrots are sent to another zoo, if 8 parrots are sent, then how many parrots are remained? 28 minus 8, only 20 parrots are remained. Out of 28, if 8 parrots are sent to another zoo, then how many parrots are remained? 20 parrots. Then for 20 parrots, how much gram of nuts you required in a day? For 28 parrots you need this much. For 28 parrots, how much you need it? Okay, now this you understand whether it is direct or inverse, you will do on your own. Okay, this I will not say, you understand and do it. Okay, now the next question. Now next question I am doing it, that is 13, question number 8 I am doing. If 13 men can weave 117 baskets in a week, how many men will be needed to weave the 189 baskets in 3 days? Okay, now this is compound variation is given. Okay, this is compound variation. Okay, compound variation. What are the 3 things given in this compound variation? What are the 3 things? That is, men is given, men baskets, then baskets given, then in a week means days. Okay, here in this question, men, baskets, days, these 3 things are given. Okay, now write it here. 13 men can weave 117 baskets in a week means 7 days. They can weave it in 7 days. Now what is the question asked? How many men? Okay. Here how many? Anyway, whatever you have to find, either you write this side or write this side anyway. Okay, how many men? Put it at X. You don't know how many men will be needed to weave how many baskets? 189 baskets in 3 days. Okay. Now, see, whenever you are doing by this arrow method, first you have to write the statement. What is the statement? If 13 men can weave 117 baskets in a week, then number of men needed to weave 189 baskets in 3 days will be. After that, you do that by this method. Okay. Now, what you will do? Okay. So, arrow method always, this is the standard. Wherever the X, the arrow will be down. Okay, now the next, anyone you will be comparing. Okay, so first I will be comparing. If you are comfortable to write men here, you can write. Anyway, it is up to you. It's one and the same only. The way you understand easily, like that you do it. Okay, is one and the same. Okay, that is, this is what you have to find here, men. Okay, you can write baskets here. You can write days here. Okay, 7 days, 117 baskets, 13 men. Then here 3 days, 189 baskets, how many men? Okay, now compare it. This when you compare days and men, keeping the baskets constant. One basket constant means keep the baskets as 117 only. Now compare the days and men. When in 7 days, okay, 117 baskets are woven by 13 men. Okay, in 7 days 117 baskets are woven by 13 men. Then in 3 days 117 baskets will be woven by, in 3 days, देखो 7 days में हमको कंप्लीट 100 कितना बास्केट्स हमको वीव करना है 117. दिस 117 हमको 7 दिन में ही कंप्लीट करना है, तो आई नीड 13 men. पर 117 baskets if you have to complete in 3 days only, तो I need more men or less men? I need more men. Okay, less number of days, more men. Less days, more men. ठीक है, more days, less men, less days, more men I did. So less, more. So that means this is standard. This is okay. This and this you have compared. Now baskets and men. Keep the days constant. Okay. Now 117 in 7 days, 117 baskets are woven by 13 men. Okay. Now in 7 days, same 7 days में हमको वीव करना है. 7 days is constant. हमको 7 days में ही खत्म करना है. कितना बास्केट्स हमको वीव करना है 189. तो 7 days में 189 बास्केट्स हमको वीव, आई हैव टू वीव इट. देन आई नीड मोर men or less men? I need more men. 118 baskets means I need more men. Okay, I need, see 117 baskets 7 दिन में ही कंप्लीट करना हो तो I need less men. पर 189 baskets हमको कंप्लीट करना है. इवन इन सेम डेज, सेम नंबर ऑफ डेज, 7 डेज में ही खत्म करना. 170 से 189 हमको ज्यादा कंप्लीट करना है. तो ज्यादा कंप्लीट करना हो तो आई नीड मोर मैन. ओके, मोर मैन मीन्स मोर बास्केट्स, मोर मैन. लेस बास्केट्स, लेस मैन. सो दिस इज डायरेक्ट. दिस इज डायरेक्ट. डायरेक्ट मतलब इसका सेम टू सेम. इनवर्स मतलब इसका उल्टा. डायरेक्ट मतलब इसका सेम सेम. नाउ सी first x by 30. X by 30 equal to, because wherever the arrow mark is there, that you will write x by 30 equal to. Okay, now anything you write, anyone, this one or this one, anything, wherever the arrow mark, that you will write 7 by 3. Okay, into arrow mark is here 118 by 170. Okay, now you find it. X is equal to 7 into 189 by 3 into 117. This 13 will go to the numerator. 13 ones are 9s are. Okay, 13 9s are, 3 ones are, that is 3 6 are 18, 63. 9 ones are 7, 49. Okay, 7 sevens are 49. So what is the question asked? How many men are required to weave 189 baskets in 3 days? You need 49 men. Okay, so this is the way of doing the compound variation. Or other ways you can do it by the unit 3 method which is shown in the copy, whichever way you feel easy.